more freedom, more money, more impact. What would your practice and life look like if you were able to travel the world, help people all over the world, and make more money working less hours? This might sound fairy tale-ish to you, but it's not. And this event is to bring you the exact tools, strategies, and business mindset that you need to create the practice around your life, not your life around your practice. Welcome to In This Together Live 2023. I was going to do this in 2024, but I decided not to. Let's meet together sooner than later because we are in this together. When you and I are more successful, more people are getting the help that we need. But let's face it, you're already an expert. You're already getting incredible results with your patients. You just might need more of them. Well, this is the event for you. This is not about patient care. This is not some sit back and get lectured conference. This is the event of the year that's going to blow up your business. I'm going to bring in world class speakers who excel in marketing, business strategies, and mindset. Why? Because those are the three important key pieces that we need to change more people's lives, both in your practice and out of your practice. So if you're ready to experience the event unlike you've ever experienced before, come join me. Orlando, Florida, Wyndham Grand Resort, February 20th, 21st, and 22nd. There is a virtual ticket available, but I caution you, there will only be a live virtual stream on Tuesday and Wednesday, the 21st and 22nd. Book your schedule, shut it down for the 2 days, have an office party, and join us on the live feed. There's no recordings. Come join us live in Orlando or virtually if it's right for you, because this event is going to blow up your business. All right. I can't wait to see you. It's going to be freaking awesome.